In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable COD on Shopify. 5 minutes. Cash on delivery or COD lets customers pay in cash when their order arrives, which can boost trust and conversions in certain regions. We'll set it up inside your Shopify admin and I'll point out what each option does so you can make it clear and reliable for your buyers. First, open your Shopify admin and sign in. From your dashboard, head down to the bottom left corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, select Payments. This is where all of your checkout payment options live, including your manual payment methods. Scroll until you see the manual payments section. Manual payments are offline options that don't process funds automatically. Instead, the order is created and marked as unpaid until you collect the money yourself. Click the button to add a manual payment method. From the list, choose cash on delivery, sometimes labeled COD. This tells Shopify to show a COD choice at checkout alongside your other payment options, but it won't charge the customer online. Next, you'll add details. Give the payment method a clear name that customers will recognize, like cash on delivery. You can add optional details that appear at checkout to set expectations, such as estimated delivery timelines, or who will collect the payment. Now add your payment instructions. This is the most important part because it's what customers will rely on to complete the payment successfully. Spell out what they should prepare and what you'll do. For example, note whether payment is cash only or if you accept card on delivery through a courier device, whether exact changes preferred, any COD fee that's already included in the total, and any conditions like service area limits or order size thresholds. If your delivery partner will contact the customer before arrival, say so. If you require a government ID or signature on delivery, include that as well. Keep the tone clear and friendly, and avoid jargon so customers aren't surprised at the door. When you're happy with the wording, click Activate to turn on COD. From now on, shoppers will see cash on delivery during checkout when it's available. Orders placed with COD will come into your admin as unpaid, and you'll collect the funds at delivery and confirm payment on your side afterward. That's it, COD is enabled. Keep your instructions up to date and review them if you change delivery coverage, add fees, or switch couriers. Clear communication here reduces failed deliveries and makes the experience smooth for both you and your customers.